Some people have very annoying boot times. You click the power button on your case and you wait well over a minute for your PC to boot up. Well, let's just say that shouldn't be that way, and in this video I will be showing you guys guaranteed ways to make your PC boot in less than 1 minute. Let's start. First off, and definitely the most important, is making sure that your Windows 10 or 11 installation is installed on a SSD. Nowadays, SSDs are way faster than multiple hard drives combined. All you need is a decent 128 gig SATA SSD or even a 128 gig NVMe SSD and install Windows 11 on that drive, and that will fix 90% of your issues. To clarify, if you ask anyone nowadays whether to get a NVMe or SATA SSD, they will probably tell you to get NVMe, which is correct, but NVMe boot times are not that much better. So if you can only use SATA SSDs, that's completely fine. Also, if you would like to use hard drives for your less drive intensive games, that's also completely fine. I do that. Next is enabling fast boot. Now, if you need your PC to be even faster than it would already be with a SSD, then this is the way to do it. You will need to go to your BIOS, and if you're on ASRock, simply go to the boot tab and enable fast boot. If you're not using a ASRock motherboard, then it should be similar. Just go to your boot tab and it should be somewhere in there. Now keep in mind that once this is enabled, this will turn getting back into your BIOS into a QuickTime event. It will no longer be easy to get back into your BIOS because fast boot skips unneeded boot processes, which can almost half the amount of time it takes to boot before Windows. Next is decreasing startup applications. Now this is a semi-obvious fix, but some people don't know to try this. Now again, if you have a SSD and you're using it as your boot drive, this shouldn't be an issue, but if somehow it is, simply go to Task Manager, then Startup Apps, then disable every application in this menu that you don't need starting up at boot. Some applications can slow down your PC because of potential stress from the application opening, which would typically only be an issue if you're on a hard drive or have a slow CPU, but regardless, this should help the boot times a little. Last thing to try is to reinstall Windows. If you have a decent CPU and you're using a decent SSD, whether it's SATA or NVMe, and you're still getting unbearable boot times, then that's most likely a sign of underlying issues with your Windows installation. That means malware or a corrupted Windows installation. Malware or a corrupted Windows installation can not only cause slow boot times, but can also cause regular applications to fail and tank your gaming performance. Now this should definitely be the last resort because this will be wiping everything, but of course, make sure to back up anything important. Once everything is backed up, simply download a Windows 11 ISO to a USB drive and follow the normal instructions to installing Windows on your PC. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if you're having any general Windows 11 issues that I could potentially make a video on, and I will see you guys in the next one.